Hold on to your seats. Today's AI news moves at breakneck speed. From Wall Street's AI scramble to star scientists sounding the alarm, to the wild world of automated pricing, the tech world is shifting right under our feet. Let's break down what you absolutely can't miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. It's Thursday, August 14th, 2025, and if you thought the world of artificial intelligence was slowing down for summer, think again. Today we've got three monster stories, explosive new warnings and predictions from the heart of AI research, industry turmoil sparked by surging costs and bold automation, and an inside scoop on how real businesses, not just tech giants, are harnessing AI to outsmart the market. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about a bombshell making waves across the AI world. Ex-OpenAI scientist Ilya Sutskever, a name you know if you follow the evolution of AI, just issued a powerful warning about the future of artificial intelligence. In a candid new interview, Sutskever admits that despite the hype, AI remains remarkably unpredictable and might even be operating with blind spots we don't fully understand. He points out that while AI can perform what looks like magic, it's still heavily reliant on expert supervision behind the scenes. And here's the kicker. Even the best models out there just aren't good enough at what they are supposed to do without constant expert involvement. Sutskever stresses the baby steps phase AI is in and raises a vital question. As models get bigger, are we about to hit physical or economic walls that stall their growth? It's a rare, humility-driven take from inside the room where it happens. AI economics. Who pays for progress? Our second headline dives into the brutal economics churning beneath today's AI boom. According to new reporting, the rush to build ever bigger AI models is turning data centers into ravenous energy consumers. Major tech companies are seeing generative AI platforms, a la Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot, spark local, sometimes heated conflicts over who foots the bill for their monster electricity use. As AI becomes central to how businesses and governments operate, that skyrocketing cost is causing serious tension. Cities and utility boards are left wondering, who is responsible when your new neighborhood AI brain uses as much power as a small town? And this isn't just a tech industry problem. Those costs will trickle down. Meanwhile, the race for cost-effective large models is pushing startups and titans alike to get ever more creative and sometimes desperate to keep up. The message? AI's free lunch era is officially over. Automation hits real markets. AI at self-storage. Our final spotlight shines on a surprising sector, self-storage. At this week's massive AI4 conference in Las Vegas, SmartStop Self-Storage Byte revealed how deeply AI is now woven into the fabric of old-school industries. Their executives outlined a game-changing approach, in-house AI agents running millions of automated price changes every month. Instead of static rent, prices at hundreds of locations adjust dynamically, responding in real time to market conditions, competitive moves, and even local demand spikes. The result? Higher profits, greater efficiency, and a more responsive customer experience. This isn't some sci-fi vision, it's happening right now, and it proves AI is making huge practical leaps far beyond Silicon Valley. So, today's stories give us a whirlwind view. The power and peril of AI, a gut check on the hidden costs driving the sector, and a peek at real-world AI that's quietly transforming the industries all around us. Want more deep dives like this? Hit follow, leave a comment with your biggest tech question, and we'll see you tomorrow with the next big wave.